Hi, welcome to Nagesh Biology online classes. Those who have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe, like and share to your friends. Now, I am going to explain numerical questions related to cell cycle and cell division chapter. Final NEET and final MSET exams, they are asking numerical questions from the especially the mitosis and meiosis. It is the part 2. Already in the part 1 we discussed few numerical questions. Now in the part 2 some more questions I am going to explain how to solve numerical questions. So which type of formula we have to use for different types of numerical questions, that is very important. How many times will meiosis take place for the formation of 80 wheat grains? This number, they are asking that 80 wheat grains for formation, how many reductional divisions required? If like this question comes, you have to follow one formula for meiotic divisions for formation of wheat grains. So for this one simple formula I will tell you, n plus n by 4 formula you have to apply to get meiotic divisions for formation of 80 wheat grains or 80 wheat seeds. Same formula you have to apply for embryos formation or zygotes formation or grains or seeds formation. Same formula, because now I am explaining 80 wheat grains. In the exam 80 embryos or 80 zygotes or 80 grains or seeds, same formula you have to apply. For this, just now I told you have to substitute the values, whatever values are there in this formula, n plus n by 4. Once you observe n, the number of wheat grains 80, 80 plus 80 by 4. So here, so 80 plus 20, 100. 100 meiotic divisions required for formation of 80 wheat grains. Just only simple thing, n, it is the number of wheat grains, n plus n by 4 formula that you have to keep in your mind to solve like this model questions if any question comes in final NEET or final MSET exams. So here the embryos, zygote, grains, same formula you have to use. Another question, how many divisions must occur in a cell of a root tip to form 128 cells? This is also very important because they are asking that number of mitotic divisions, not mitotic generation. Number of mitotic divisions they are asking from one single cell to form 128 cells. How many mitotic divisions required? For this correct option, 127. 127 times the cell has to divide. So here 127 mitotic divisions required. You may get one doubt, how it is possible. Just for explanation what I am doing here, I am taking here 4 cells from one cell. How many mitotic divisions required? Now to explain 128, just I am taking one value less number of cells from one single cell. How many mitotic divisions? They are not asking mitotic generation. Mitotic generation is different, mitotic division is different. 4 cells from one cell, how many mitotic divisions required? Just I will take one single cell. This is one cell. First it divides, produces number of daughter cells 2. This daughter cell divides, produces 2. This daughter cell divides and produces 2 cells. Now once you observe carefully, for formation of 4 cells, how many mitotic divisions occurs? That is important. Here one mitosis here, second mitosis here, third mitotic divisions. 3 mitotic divisions required to form 4 daughter cells. So here 4 cells from one cell, how many mitotic divisions? 3 mitotic divisions. For this also you have to follow one formula. I'll tell you here one simple easy formula for getting correct answer. N minus 1. N, total number of cells 128 cells. How many cells involved for mitotic division? Only one cell. That's why I took here n minus 1. If they will ask in the exam from 2 cells how many mitotic divisions required to form 128 cells, means n minus 2 formula you have to follow. N minus 1 formula you have to follow for calculating number of mitotic divisions. N, how many cells are there? 128 cells are there. So minus 1. Why minus 1? A cell, one single cell, that's why n minus 1. So total 127 mitotic divisions compulsory should occur to form 128 cells. I took the one example, 4 cells from one cell. 1, 2, 3. If 3 divisions occurs, then only 4 cells will form, no? That's why here. So 4 minus 1. So 3 mitotic divisions. Here for this one. That's why here this formula you have to use to calculate or to get perfect answer for this question. Next, another question. How many times, now it is generations they are asking, how many times mitotic divisions will take place to produce 5 1-2 cells from a single parent cell? Now they are asking that generations, they are not asking that mitotic divisions. How many times? How many times means they are asking mitotic generation. So now for this correct answer is, so A, that is the 9 generations, 9 times. So 9 times means here how to follow? 2 to the power of n. You have to follow one formula for this. They are asking that how many times or how many generations. 2 to the power of n formula you have to follow. 2 to the power of 9 means you will get 512 cells. Again you will get one doubt. For this here mitotic divisions number they are asking in this question. Mitotic divisions, that is 127, that is different. But how many times? Times means I will tell you here why you have to follow 2 to the power of n. So here for every mitotic division from one parent cell, 2 daughter cells are formed. No? That's why I have to take 2 to the power of n formula. Now I will tell you here, first here one cell is there, one cell. It leads to formation of 2 cells. 2 cells to 4 cells. 4 cells to 8 cells. 8 cells to 16. 16 to 32. 32 to 64. 64 to 128 cells. 128 to 256. 256 cells. It leads to formation of 512 cells. Now here this one, just I will take one single cell. They are asking that how many times. Now we will count how many times it will divide. It is 1 time, second, third time, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, 8, 9. 9 times. So compulsory 9 times. It is number of times. This is 1 time, second time, third time, fourth. Like this they are asking that in the question. How many times? 9 times. Or 9 generations also same answer. Same you can say here. 9 times or 9 mitotic generations. In the exam if the how many times means 9 times. So mitotic generations 9 only. If they will ask Like this question you have to follow simple 2 to the power of n. If the mitotic division means like this, one cell divides, no, two daughter cells will form, that you have to consider 1. So this is second, third. But whereas whenever it comes to generations, this is total one generation. So generation is different, mitotic division is different. So these formulae you have to use to get perfect answer. So like this, so different questions if you will practice, then only you will get perfect idea about numerical questions related to mitosis and meiosis. Thank you.